Hey everybody, there's a couple of very special situations where equations are they're not solvable. They don't work. These are the off chance equations, and it is chapter 2, it is lesson 4, it is problem type 4. There's first the identity equations. Let me see what we got going here. The identity equations. Let me show you why the identity equations are not solvable. When I follow the logic, here's what happens. So first of all, I got to get rid of these parentheses, right? So this means that 2 times 5x is 10x, and 2 times 6 is 12. Now, I've got the situation where it's 10x plus 12 equals 10x plus 12. I could put any number in for x and it would still be the same. So this is a problem. And if I even let's take it all the way out so you can see it. So I'm going to take my numbers and put them on this side and my letters and put them on that side. 12. If I subtract 12, and I subtract 12 from this side, so I now have 0. And then if I subtract 10x from this side, and I subtract 10x from this side, I am left with 0. And it is a true statement that 0 equals 0. But what does x equal? We didn't want to subtract the x. So you can see that whenever it's the same on this side as it is on that side, we call those identity equations. And they are not solvable. You really can't tell what x is, because if x was a 1, then on both sides, well, they would still be equal. If x was a 2, they would still be equal. If x was 359, they would still be equal. X could be anything. Let's check out another one. This off chance equation is the equation that has no solution. Let's go ahead and check out what this one is. So if I have a 3m here and a minus 3m, a 12m, and a 9m, I need to get all my m terms on the same side. So I'm going to start out by subtracting this 9 right there, because I have 2 m terms over here, and I want to combine them. So minus 9m is a total of minus 12m. Okay, well those two are gone. Well, here's the problem. I also have another positive 12m. Minus 12m plus 12m is 0m. My m is gone completely. Well, I have this 5 here and this 4 left over. Let me just bring them down so you can really see it. Negative 4, this means negative 4, and the 5 is there. Does negative 4 equal 5? No, it doesn't. Now I could maybe combine my terms, right, and get my negative 4 and just add a 4, or maybe, well, since I put on my m's over here, maybe I should move the 5 over here. Minus 5 on this side, and add a minus 5 on this side. Then I've got the situation, minus 5 plus minus 5, minus 4 plus minus 5 equals minus 9. I'm going to draw a line through this guy. Minus 9. And because I have the m's all gone, that means this side is 0. There are no m's, there's no numbers left, everything is gone, it's 0. Well, minus 9 does not equal 0. And moreover, it doesn't tell me what m equaled. So this is another kind of equation, off-chance equation, where there is no possible solution for the numbers. There is no number I can plop in for this m to make this work out. So watch out for those. Today you have a list of problems where all you have to decide is this an identity equation or is this a no solution equation? Check it out. It's pretty, I think actually these are kind of fun. But yeah, work on it. Here's another one. All right. Where you get to, here's one, this is a chance, this is what your page today will look like. So I have 3 times 4b, got to get rid of this one. Is this an identity or a no solution? I have, let's get rid of this parentheses, of course, because that's always not helpful. All right, can you already see it? I have a -6, a -6, and a positive b, and a positive 12b, and a positive 12b. This is the identity. If it is this, when you see it being exactly the same on both sides, you know that this is not solvable. It's an identity equation. Any number could be b. All right, let's check out another one. Identity or no solution. All right, so let's get rid of the parentheses again. -3. -1 times -2 is actually +2. All right, so I am going to get my x's onto this side over here. So I'm going to go by 2x. Uh-oh. Do you see it already? We just got rid of our x term by doing that. So now there's no x, and we have 7 and negative, and we still have 7 equals -3, and that is not true. So there's no solution to this problem. Alrighty, get after it.